Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to see deleted WhatsApp messages. With this tutorial, you're gonna be able to know what they deleted. So go ahead and open notifications, scroll down to find WhatsApp. It's right here, and now turn notifications on. So if it notifies you, you're gonna be able to see the message, and if they delete it, at least you saw the message before they delete it, right? It's better than not having this on and not seeing the message, because if they delete it but you got the notification, obviously you're going to be able to see it. But if they do delete it, the notification will be gone, so you will have only a few seconds to see the notification. So it's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.